Ever wanted to create viral faceless YouTube videos effortlessly? Today I will show you exactly how to set up this powerful N8N workflow to automate your entire video creation and upload process. No coding required. Videos like these where animals hilariously and creatively reenact popular movie scenes are taking the internet by storm, attracting thousands or even millions of views. Imagine effortlessly transforming iconic movie moments into viral content by having animals as your lead actors, all completely automated. Here's a quick look at what we are creating today. This workflow starts by automatically selecting popular movie scenes. It then creatively rewrites the scenes with animals in starring roles. It adds visual stunning images via Fal.AI. These elements are seamlessly combined completely with engaging music to produce unique, share-worthy videos. To make it even more engaging, you can involve your viewers with a fun challenge. Invite them to guess which iconic movie scenes the animals are reenacting. Encourage them to leave their answers in the comments, creating an interactive and lively community around your videos. With just one click, the workflow uploads your content directly to YouTube or TikTok. Best of all, you don't need any technical knowledge to make this happen. N8N is a no-code tool that allows you to set up powerful automation simply by dragging and dropping nodes. If you're new here, I'm Sam, dedicated to making automation and AI easy for you, so you always stay ahead. I've also provided you the exact workflow template available right now in the description below to help you start creating amazing videos today. Now let's dive into the detailed step-by-step walkthrough of this powerful N8N workflow. Let's start with the schedule trigger. This is a trigger you can set to run each day, every hour, every minute, just according your own schedule. You can even disable it and enable it by clicking this on-off button. When you press test workflow, the whole workflow will run, and this is the trigger for it. When you have activated the workflow, you got it. Then the workflow will run every day. It will create every day a new video. For this workflow, I would recommend not to do that because we will have to change some stuff in the configuration. You have to enter a video title and you have to enter the genre of the video. If you're using a Google Cloud bucket, like I am, you can upload the music file to the bucket to be rendered in the video. It just has to be an MP3 file and the rendering will be processed. It just has to be an MP3 file and the video will be rendered with the background music. Eventually, when you set those settings up, you can go to the idea generation agent, and this agent will create, according your movie, a story for your video. And this agent will create, according your movie, a story for the video. This is the whole prompt, and eventually the output of the prompt is over here. You can set it up to JSON. We are using OpenRouter. To grab an API key, go to OpenRouter.ai, go to your account and create a new key. Eventually you have to set up your credentials like this and your key and save them. With OpenRouter you can use almost all the new AI models there are. Currently for this flow I'm using DeepSeek R1. Let's move on to the agent that is going to create the image prompts for us. This is the story. We're using it as an input for the image generation agent. This agent is going to write some image prompts according the story we are going to input. This is the whole image agent prompt, and eventually the output will be like this, formatted. For every scene there will be a different image prompt. As you can see, there are 6 scenes in this. We're using again OpenRouter, and we're using Gemini Flash Thinking. The big advantage of OpenRouter is that you can use the free AI models as well with this workflow. One thing to add to this agent, we have a structured output parser So all the image prompts will be structured like this. If you are creating larger videos, you have to adjust this structured output to add even more scenes to it. Eventually all the prompts will be fed to this split out node, so we will have all the prompts cleaned up and nice formatted for the next node. That's going to be a Fal generate image node. That's just the name. You can rename it to everything you like. For this workflow we're using Flux Pro, the best image model there is. Creating images with Fal.AI, it's really currently one of the best. These are all the models that are available currently with Fal.AI. You can filter to image to video, image to image, and pick the one that you like. We are using a JSON input to Fal.AI. We are using a portrait, so it's going to be a long form video content. We're using 28 steps. This is important if you're going to create videos with some violent scenes in it. You have to change this setting. And for this video we're using a LoRa to get even better output. Eventually when you run this node, the image will be sent to Fal. We will wait for 1 minute for the wait node, and we are going to get the image with Fal. And you can see we are getting URLs over here, so the image generation is done. Then we have a preview image node, so we can preview the images. These are really stunning. See, we have 4 and we have 5, and the last one, I think you can guess which movie we are going to create currently. We are going to the video generation nodes. We are again using Fal.AI and we're using Kling AI. Their video models are currently one of the best there are. When you go to the website of Kling.com, you can see some of the image to video generations. Currently they have a free plan plus credits, and there is a contest that you can join. We are using as a prompt that's really important, a static shot. You can use different prompts for the image to video generation. I've tested several different prompts, but I think static shot is one of the best with Kling video generation. Eventually, when you run this node, we will have a wait node of 10 minutes. Then we will going to get the videos. You can see all the videos are generated because we are getting a URL. Then we will preview the videos. Nice. And let's see, this was a nice image. And the last one. Then we are going to aggregate the outputted image up. Then we're going to aggregate the outputted videos. Then we're going to aggregate the outputted videos, and we are going to render the video. For this you will need an API key from SamAutomation.work. Go to the website, and then we are going to render the videos. For this you will need an API key from SamAutomation.work. With their API you can render videos from JSON to MP4. There is an affiliate program you can join, and in your dashboard you can grab your API key. This is the input. We are going to make a long form videos, and the duration of the video will be 30 seconds. After the API post to the video rendering servers, we're going to wait for 3 minutes. Then we're going to get the progress, and if there is an output URL and the stage is complete, we can see that the video is done. Eventually we're going to create a title for the video. This is the prompt again, and the input text is the image prompt. And we are going to download the video to see what we've created. That's the same video as we have seen in the start of the. And as a final step, you can choose to upload to YouTube or to TikTok.